Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. Let's say in today's video, a figurine video. So as you can see behind me, we have a different setup right here. And yeah, as you can tell, new base plate for review. This is not like the Dream Custom mat or anything. This is a special made road piece for Diorama, basically for my videos and also my photography. Basically, like more to diecast photography will be taking place at this sort of like this parking lot where you have like a lot of cars parked up here as well, and also you have a road. Of course, you want to drive. Basically like a 1-lane road, 2 lanes, sorry. So this will be the place where I will be reviewing American Diorama figures. So in today's video, we will be checking out this American Diorama Tarmac Works Car Meet 1. Now, some of you may have known about this figurine set, some of you may have not. Well, I'm not sure whether this is actually latest, like new or not, but yeah, from what I know is that American Diorama used to have like these blisters that they normally use for figurines, where they collab with the Miho exclusives and they basically made like blisters. But in this case, they collab with Tarmac Works, so they used like this sort of like box shape, square box, which is cool. So yeah, that is the front. You have like a car park space background on the front. It's more to like a grayish black box. So yeah, let's take a look at the top. So instead of Global 64, you have Part 64, which is neat. So this is a preview, American Diorama Tarmac Works. This is the preview of the figures that are included in this set. Basically, it comes with 6 figures, which is nice. So yeah, let's open it up. So just to show you, pretty easy to open up. So it comes with a blister of 6 people right there, 6 figurines. So take them all out. Just gonna put it here and let us see the figures that it comes with one by one. I won't be putting the figures on the turntable, of course, but we'll just show it in detail. I want to where is it? I will show you guys using tweezers so that you guys get a quick look. Oh, sorry. By the way, whatever that comes from American Diorama, they normally use metal figures, like basically metal. They are metal, just if you're wondering. Doesn't really want to focus. That's a main problem here. What should I do? So maybe I can put it behind here. Oh, doesn't really want to focus here. So what should I do to make it focus? There it is. So yeah, I need to cover the back. That's the sad part. But yeah, so let's start off with this dude right here. So you can kind of see it clearly now. Previously it wasn't really focused on. So here we have the first figure. So basically it's diecast metal, as you can tell. This first figure right here, it comes with like a black jacket, white shirt, I believe. I'm not sure, t-shirt or shirt, I'm not sure. He's wearing black glasses, which is pretty cool, nice. He's wearing like an orange cap right there, wearing some jeans as well, just if you are wanting to know there. He's wearing some jeans, orange like shoes right there, which is pretty neat. So that's the front. So here's the back. Just gonna show you. It's not really like a jacket. I believe it's like more to a hoodie, which is pretty sick. So yeah, that is the first figure right here. Just gonna show you right there without the tweezers. There is our first figure. So yeah, not gonna focus on too long. So what you can do is basically you can use some tape. Like there's like those mini tapes that comes with American Diorama, or you can use white tack to basically stick the figure on any surface. For example, I'm just gonna take some tack and put it on one side of the shoe basically, so that, well, I don't need to stick both sides on the road. I'm just gonna put it at the Toyota Altezza at the back right here. Don't know if you can see it, just gonna focus, but yeah, I put it at the Toyota Altezza. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there it is. So let's take a look at our second figure with the background. Hold on. So our second figure basically, it requires more to a chair of some sort, I believe. So it's hard to show basically. Here's the second figure. Oh my god, it's not staying properly, but yeah, here is the second figure. It's wearing a orange shirt right there. So yeah, it's a girl basically, blonde hair basically. You can see they didn't really give the details to these American Diorama figures. As for the face of the figure, maybe they don't really do that, but yeah, it's overall pretty worth the price, because one figure is basically like it's basically metal, by the way. The figure is metal, if you're wondering. So yeah, it's pretty good, I would say the least. So yeah, there is the figure wearing orange shoes. I'm not sure how to show it, but yeah, there it is. There is the figure right there, just if you want to know. There it is. So yeah, this time without the tweezers. So you may require like a chair at least, so that it would hold in place. Just gonna show it to you there. So for me, I have this like 3D printed like stool that I could use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna place it near this the D-Walk GTR on the right side. So I'm just gonna place it there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, there it is, as you can tell. So yeah, that's placed there already. So let us see our next figure on the screen. Here is our next figure right here. A guy right here wearing more like a tan beige colored t-shirt. He's actually drinking a I don't know, a smoothie or something, I'm not sure. He's actually drinking, just if you're wondering. He's not wearing any cap or anything, black hair. No face print detail or anything, which is fine. Blacked out pants. I'm not sure if those are jeans or anything. Normally they like to call it torso, if I'm not mistaken. And is he wearing like boots? It looks like it. I think he should be wearing boots of some sort. Yeah. Yeah, overall pretty nice. Lovely detail right there. Very sick. Moving on to the back. there is the back of the person right there. Just gonna show you again. There you go. So this time I'm gonna put some tech again. We'll put it at the stagia on the other side as if he's looking at the engine bay, like that. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there it is. So next up, this person gives me more to the Japanese type of vibes. Basically, it's more to like a Japanese student type of vibes. There it is. Our fourth, is it fourth? Yeah, fourth person in this pack. Basically, brown hair, as you can see, more to like that. I don't know how you would say it, like school uniform, I would say, in Japan, I think. Very interesting. Because this is a car meetup, so it would be something like that. I mean, they would normally do something like that. Brown shoes or boots, I'm not sure. But yeah, there is the front of the figure. Here is the back. Basically, I'll do more of these like showcases of figurines, basically from American Diorama, but just that I'll just show you guys like regularly and not maybe on the turntable or anything, nothing special, but just a casual video of American Diorama figures. So where shall we put this one? I think it's better if we put it more to a JDM style of car. Of course we have let's put it at the Subaru BRZ Panda. Right there. Oh no. What? Should put it at the back right here. Yeah, I guess that'll do. Let's take a look at our fifth person. Can't believe I'm using this box as the backdrop instead of something else. Still, it's fine. So here is our fifth person. He's a guy, as you can tell. Red hat, as you can tell, and white shirt, and also red pants right there. Just if you're wondering, and also red shoes. Oh, red shoes. I mean, it's my first time filming a American Diorama showcase video, so yeah, basically, you know me, it's my first time, so I'm not really used to it yet. So here's the guy right here, which is pretty cool. So here's the guy. This time I'm gonna show it without the tweezers. There you go. That is our fifth person in this figurine pack of American Diorama. Let's move on to our last guest of this set. So where should we put it? Here, I believe, in this classic Hakosuka made by Tarmac. I don't know if you can see it, but he's right there. There's the guy with the straw, drinking just now. There's the guy with the hoodie, black hoodie. There's the girl just now with the uniform, and there's the girl sitting down over there. And let's move on to our last person in this pack. So here's the last one. Basically, it's another female, and basically, as you can tell, she's taking a selfie with a phone right there. I believe that's a purple, purple hat, or is it actually her hair? I think it's her purple hair, I'm not sure. Purple dye, I believe. So pink shirt right there. Blue jeans and purple boots or shoes, whatever you want to say. And of course you can see that she has a smartphone, basically taking a selfie, or maybe taking someone else's picture, I'm not sure. But I think it's more of a selfie. And let's take a look at the back. There it is, the phone. I don't see any detail on the phone, so it's fine. At least people know that it is actually a phone. Oops. Yeah. So there it is. So let's take a look at it without the tweezers. There is the figure right there. Overall, pretty cool. American Diorama did a pretty good job in this one. Basically, car meet, very suitable for me because I've been struggling to find suitable diorama figures for more to a car meet setup, but in the end I didn't really manage to find some. I'm gonna put out a GTR right here. There you go. Didn't really manage to find a car meet sort of pack, but this one actually pretty well done to do actually. Just gonna pull it in front a bit. So there you go. Basically all the figurines lined up. Right there we have one right here, one over here, one there, one over here, one is taking a selfie right here, and one sitting down at the GTR right there. And yeah, overall I'd say it's a pretty good set. I mean, for a car meet setup, it's very useful and very worth the price. Basically, if you want to maybe make a car meet setup or so, yes, it's pretty helpful. I mean, it's a very nice thing to see. Basically, it's very worth for you guys if you're a diorama collector, or maybe you wanna showcase your cars or anything. You are highly recommended to use these type of figures. And overall, a pretty good set. I mean, for this car meet set, I mean, it's not too bad. Overall, I pretty do like it. It's pretty worth it, and to be honest, it's a very good addition to my Diorama figure set, so maybe I might do more in the future. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the American Diorama Tarmac Quartz figurine set. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos to leave. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.